Hi, Johnny Timmons with MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Today we're on our 2024 32 Aviara. This is our first boat to get with the new V10 350 Mercs. Great running boat. It's got all the options. Come on aboard and let me show you about it. Hey, it's Johnny again with MarineMax in Houston, Texas. Again, we're on our 32 Aviara, brand new. We just pulled the shrink wrap off the boat. I'll start off on the hard top. This one's got the ready shade. As I work down, you'll notice sea deck all the way throughout. Great little bar area, great storage compartment, another wet bar area right here. They did a great job with twin Simrad display, plus a touchscreen to operate all your lights. We can turn on options up and down. We've got a cell phone charger. Notice we've got the joystick on this boat. This is the first V10 350 boat we've had. One of the things that Aviara does a great job of, huge head compartment, and that is a full vacuum flush that pulls into a holding tank. Great storage all the way throughout. Come see us in Houston, Texas. Again, my name is Johnny Timmons, and we're on a 32 Aviara 2024 model.